Imagine this. Batman just saved the day and the city's thankful. But does he ask for help from the people he saved? No, he leaves them hanging. Big mistake, right? That's exactly what happens when you miss referral requests from your happy clients. Happy customers are your best promoters. But if you don't ask for referrals, you're missing out on golden opportunities. They're ready to spread the word, but they won't do it unless you ask. So, what's the solution? Ask for referrals automatically. With AI tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, and moksy.ai, you can set up automated referral requests to reach your happy clients right after a successful interaction. Moksy.ai helps you create custom thank you pages with referral forms and automates the process, so you never miss an opportunity for more business. You should be asking your happy customers for referrals. Don't let it slip.